fine sugar. I got regular sugar and I put it on the Vitamix at high, and it turns into fine sugar. So then you put it in Mary bath. Is that how you call it? Baño de María. Sí, yo creo que es Mary bath. And then you add a cup of egg whites. And you want to mix everything and make sure that you're not left with any grains. And that's how you know it's ready. Excellent. So I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla paste. It's going to be approximately 1.5 teaspoons. And it's much more intense. We'll keep on mixing it. We're gonna add a pinch of salt. Something like this. It's a little bit more than a pinch. It would be 1/8 of a teaspoon for this amount. Cream of tartar, which is this powder. And you can put, I usually use 1/2 teaspoon per cup of sugar. There's 1 cup of egg whites, 3 cups of fine sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla paste, and 1.5 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a pinch of salt. But the cream of tartar, I'm gonna add it once we are whipping. Here. Whip. You always taste it and make sure that you have no grains, but I still feel the grains, so I have to mix it again. Keep on mixing it. This is gonna take like 15 minutes mixing at this speed. It's very hot. We put it over here. Now we're gonna start little by little until we get to high speed. And we're gonna be mixing it until this gets very not as hot as it is. Okay, it's gonna be good to touch. The oven to 180 degrees. I'm using convection bake. I'm gonna raise it so I can point out that there's a water bubble. Right now it's getting thicker, so we're gonna stop in here. This is the mixing attachment that we're using, and we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. We're gonna mix it again. We don't wanna spend too much time like this because then it will not rise. But I wanna make sure that it mixes well. We're going 2 more times with this. It helps this to grow, you know, the foamy thing. Today is raining. This is very humid. It is not the ideal humidity to make the merengue cookies, but they're gonna be fine. We think it's ready now. I'm gonna turn off the machine and make a quick test to make sure that it's good enough. We wanna make sure that this holds the tips. And now we know that it's ready.
Tell me when you're going to talk.
Okay.
I need a 2-second period.
All the meringue cookies have been piped out. We're gonna put them in the oven. It's in convection bake at 180 degrees. That's Fahrenheit. Huh? It's gonna take like 2 hours. So I'm gonna set the time here, the cook time.